Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel, and in this video I want to show and tell you how to change your Apple ID password. It's a very easy way to do it. You don't have to know your old password to change it. How do you do it? You go into your iPhone settings. Now you click on iCloud. Now click on Password and Security. You wait a couple of seconds and then click on Change Password. Click here. Now enter the password from our iPhone. After that, specify a new password from our Apple ID. It will activate without any problems unless you have double checking enabled. Everything works just fine. You just type in the new password and repeat it. That's the easy way. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.